Creating an advanced IBCS template with XLBuddy is an intuitive process. We start by importing a blank report template from the library. Once your data is linked, we apply some basic sheet formatting. When done, we'll create and position a waterfall chart. We want to make sure it's placed strategically within our report. Once it's in place, we'll refine its structure by adding cumulative bars and subtotals, which are key to visualizing the sequential changes in our data. Next, we'll customize the label formatting and bar colors to match our standard and improve readability. Following this, we'll create our absolute variance chart. After placing it on the report, we'll adjust the colors appropriately for favorable and unfavorable variances. Then, we'll modify the label formatting for optimal clarity. For the final visual, we'll create the relative variance chart. We'll modify the labels by removing the % sign and adjusting the formatting. In the end, we will cut off any top outliers to improve clarity. To finalize the report, we will integrate insightful comments that add a layer of analysis. Lastly, we will enable auto-scaling. This process highlights how XLBuddy's flexibility makes building sophisticated IBCS templates effortless. We invite you to explore its capabilities yourself on XLBuddy.com.